Hey everyone, welcome back to Yes or No Item Reviews. In this video, we're going to unbox, set up, and review the dual controlled dry food dispenser by Zevro. We have time codes in the comment and description section below if you would like to skip to a certain section of the video. Let's go ahead and start with unboxing right now. Here's what the box looks like. Let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. As you can see here, it's very well protected. It's wrapped in plenty of bubble wrap and carton box material. The first thing you'll open up is the container piece where the cereal and snacks go. You actually get two of these inside the box. I'll show that to you later. It also comes with a lid that goes on top of the container. The next thing they give you is the supporter piece that holds up the container. Inside that supporter piece is this little Ziploc bag, and inside that bag is a tray that holds a cereal bowl. And here is the bottom lid that holds the cereal inside the container. So everything you see here so far, you get another pair of it. Therefore, you get two lids, two containers, two supporters, two trays, and two bottom lids. However, you only get one base. This base holds all the parts of this dispenser. And finally, they give you one instruction manual that I will be using in this video. So that should be everything that you get in the box.
Now I'm going to show you how to set up. Watch this! So first, you're going to grab this. This is the base. So you're going to put it like that. Then next is you're going to get this two. It looks like a screwdriver for my nose. So all you're gonna do, guys, is grab first one, and then you see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna get these first. So just put it in like right here, and there's like 4 that you're going to just puzzle. So it's kind of like tricky, guys, like that, right? So just gonna like help it to go inside. Then same here at the back. So I just do it one by one, then I can do this. Ouch! There you go. Ouch! There you go. And you're gonna do exactly the same on the other side.
Ouch!
Okay, so guys, this is the next step. So you grab this, then you grab the second one. So all you gotta do is just very basic, guys. Shoot it, shoot, and then shoot the second one. Then you put the lid, put the lid. Then the next step is you're going to get this two, and you shove it in. Yeah, put it here. Ta-da! Wow! Does it hold an entire box of cereal? We have here a large size, 18 ounces or 513 grams. There you go. Ready? Go. Ta-da! So it didn't fill out. So that means it's good. Now let's proceed to our family size. It's called Chex. Do you think this will fit and accommodate all this? What's your answer? Okay, I don't know too. Let's test it right now. It's a family size. Hi, we're almost there. Oh! Wait, guys. Shake it off. Hi. Okay. All right, guys. There you go. And there is a leftover. So to answer your question, guys, family size 18 ounces is too much. I use this with yogurt covered pretzel. Now we're gonna test it. A mini pretzel twist. And this is 16 ounces or 1 pound. Let's try it right now. Wow! Can this be dropped in here? Let's test it right now. Let me get the bowl. You ready? So yeah, it works! If you're going to twist this, it drops like mostly 3, 1, 3, 1. Oh, there you go. You use this in storing almonds. So guys, we have here a Kirkland milk chocolate covered almonds And this is 1.36 kilogram or 3 pounds. But since I ate everything, 1/8 of it is on my stomach. Just for the heck of it, let's test it. Whoa! Can this rotate and can this almonds gonna go through inside? I mean outside? Let's test it right now. Wow! I like to do it again. Wow! Again! Wow! Yummy. This work for Chex mix. Chex mix! Come on in! Whoa! We have here a pub mix. It's the same with Chex mix. And again guys, most of it I eat it is inside my big stomach. Now I know your question. Would this gonna work and would this drop here? Of course, let's test it. Bowl coming in. Whoa! Are you ready? Here we go. Wow! I like it. Oh, that's tough. Oh, that's kind of like hard a little bit, guys. But the technique here, if it's you do left, then you do left again, then you do left again, then you're just doing a lot of left. And if you do right, let's test the right. Wow! It depends on your Chex mix, if they are long or they are circle, and if they are breadcrummies, then they'll fit. But if they're too big, then it's gonna like a little bit challenging. So the next question is, can I use this for protein powder? So I have here the Combat Protein Powder, 2,275 grams. There you go. Whoa, that's a lot, guys. And I have half of it left over. All right, so I have very different things. First, I have this SeaWorld 10 ounces cup. I have this 6 ounces cup, and I have the bowl. So let's test if this will work to your protein. Watch this. So first, let's try this one. Okay. So now we're gonna put the 6 ounces perfectly. Let's test it. Whoa! That is relaxing, you guys. So make sure that you shoot it properly within the premises. Wow. And it's kind of like stuck. So we're gonna go to the right. So it's not really... Oh, you need to kind of like just push it a little bit. Ooh. So that's a tip. So to answer your question, it will work only, guys, to 6 ounces, but not to 10 ounces, because that will gonna really hit it. Look at that, guys. And maybe it will work in the bowl. Pretty much it's only for the 6 ounces and bowl. This we use for rice. Let's test it right now. So here you go, guys. Let's test it right now. Woo! So that's it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Okay, let's do it more. It's kind of like therapeutic. Wow! It's lottery! Wow! There you go. Wow! It perfectly worked. So for those Asian and love to eat rice, get this. No brainer. This has lid and can bugs get into it. So guys, as you can see, there's lid on the top, and in the bottom also there is a cover. Look. So if there's like bugs going in, don't worry, guys, because this has a suction cup. There you go. Cover down here and lid down up there. So to answer your questions, bugs can't go inside unless the bugs has hands and they can open this. The container made out of glass. It looks like glass, guys, but it is plastic, guys. Transparent plastic. There you go. So our next question is, can this be mounted on a wall? If you're planning to mount the back in your wall here, or in your granite, or on your You know, but there is no way, guys, that you can mount it because it is plainly for countertop. Not unless you're very, very smart or handyman and you can put the hole there and then do a lot of work, then it's up to you, but not to us. So this will just basically stay there and then voila! Break the cereal or make lots of crumbs. Okay, let's do this since this is more kind of like cereal-y. So this is the regular cereal and let's try right now. So guys, to answer your question, it is pretty much a regular cereal. So it is as it is. So I'll try this one. There you go, guys. It is still cereal, not crumbs. Unless you do this. M&M's were in this. There we go. Are you fanatic of M&M's, guys? If you are, please comment down below. Wow, they're all happy, the M&M's, because they gotta get out of their jail. And now, let's test it if this will work. 3, 2, 1. Wow! Whoa, that's so relaxing, guys. Wow! So, it seems like you need to put it really in the bowl. The bowl, not in a flat surface, because the tendency is the M&M's will fly all over the place. And you don't like to waste stuff because there's a lot of people starves all over the world. So you better eat them even they fall on the ground. That's the measurement of these items. Here to there. It's almost 13 inches. Next question is how tall it is from the base. 16 inches. Next question is how tall is this one, right? So I'll just measure from here to here. It's 12 inches. Okay, now we'll measure the width from here to here. It's 7 inches. How big is the mouth of the dispenser? This is the mouth of the dispenser. I'm gonna put in the middle. It's like 2.5 inches.
Good question, guys. Is this item right for you? Let us know your thoughts and opinions by typing them in the comment section below, and I'll respond back to you as soon as I can. If this item is right for you, there's a link in the description below to purchase it. If you still need more information about this item, the description section below will probably have your answer. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and click the notification bell, because when you do that, it lets us know that we actually helped you out, and it also helps this channel grow. Last thing, check out these other clips that are similar and related to this video to the right of your screen. Thank you for supporting us and for watching this video. Until then, we will see you at the next item.